Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I learn Igbo language with Igbo. How are you? Kedu ka mere? Eji m n'aka na ịdị mma. You're welcome. No, n'ụbọchị taa. In today's video, I'm going to teach you Igbo in another dimension. How husbands should call their wife names in Igbo language. The pet names, sweet names a husband should call his wife in Igbo language. It's high time you stop this honey, sugar, biscuit. You call her names in our native language and you see how sweet it sounds. It changes the atmosphere in your house. Your wife will be like, this one my husband is calling me names in Igbo. And I assure you, if you do it well from your heart, you will see how she will love you more. She will treasure you more. Call her that sweet name in Igbo. That is how your children will learn. It's not this one when a child comes home, you'll be speaking English to her. You weren't raised like that. It is from you. When you speak Igbo, your children will learn from it. And trust me, you can't speak English so well, but you can speak Igbo language well because that is your dialect. That is who we are. Our language is our heritage. It is our culture. That is our mother's tongue. And unfortunately, we are missing it these days. You will communicate with your children in another man's language, in another man's tongue. If you don't teach them your language, nobody will do that for you. It is only you and you alone that will do it and do it well. So let's return back to our mother's tongue. If today is your first time of seeing this video, please subscribe to this channel. Share this video so that our brothers will learn to call their wife names, sweet names, in our local dialect, in Igbo language. Igbo amaka, Igbo atoka, asụsụ anyị bụ njirimara anyị. Asụsụ anyị bụ njirimara anyị. Ị bụrụ nwata Igbo sụba asụsụ Igbo, Igbo amaka. Ị bụrụ nwata Igbo sụba asụsụ Igbo, Igbo amaka. Eji m n'aka na ị ga-esonyere m na ihe onyonyo a. You will follow me to this video and learn. Do not forget to share it. We must cultivate this attitude of speaking our dialect, of speaking our language. Ọ dị ezigbo mkpa. Ka ụmụ anyị wee mara ihe a na-ekwu. So that it's not when we finish now, our language will just die, and it's gradually going, and it's not good. That is why I am here. Learn Igbo language with Igbo. Stay tuned to this channel and you will learn. Yeah, you're welcome. Aha dị iche iche nwoke na-akpọ nwunye ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Oriakụ m. Oriakụ m. That is your wife. Is who eats what you have, who is with you. That is Oriakụ m. That is the general name a man calls her, his wife, in the home. Back in our grandfather's age, but this age, a woman wants to be called a pet name. Like Achalugo nwanyị. Achalugo nwanyị. That is, your wife is so beautiful. Achalugo is something so beautiful, treasured. Achalugo nwanyị. I assure you, when you come back home and call your wife this, she'll be like, wow, my husband, what do you want? She will want to give you go extra mile to do something that you will love, something that you will treasure. You know, it's so easy to approach a woman and you get the whole of her heart. When you call her that name from your heart, don't pretend about it. You will see how the atmosphere in your house will change. Try it out today. Trust me, you won't regret it. But in Igbo language, you must call that name. You call it in English. No more honey. Instead of honey, you call her mmanụ aṅụ. Mmanụ aṅụ. That is honey. Mmanụ aṅụ. Sweetie. Ọtọ ụtọ. Ọtọ ụtọ. I'm teaching you now. All those names you call in English, you start calling them in Igbo. Sweetie. Ọtọ ụtọ. Sweetheart. My sweetheart. Obi dear. Obi dear. Sweetheart. Obi dear. Obi dear. I hope you're understanding me. Ugegbe. Ugegbe is mirror. So your wife is your mirror. When people see your wife, they will see how you treat her. She looks good. People will see your reflection in your wife because you treat her fine. Ugegbe. That is my mirror. Ugegbe. You must try this thing. I tell you and I assure you, share this video. You will see how, things will turn around in homes of an average woman. No more sweetie. Call her Nkem, my own. Nkem, my own. Yes, Nkem, my own. I hope you're understanding it. Yes. Udara mmicham. My apple. Udara mmicham. Udara. My apple. See, if you call your wife these names, things will turn around in your home. Your children will also learn. And trust me, when you say these things, it's sinking down in the subconscious mind of these children. And when they grow up, they will, it will spring up in them. You will see them doing the same. Think of how your parents brought you up and how you are going now. You see that, unconsciously, those things they did these days, you're coming up with it without knowing it. So let them cultivate that attitude. Let them learn from it. You may think they're not learning. They are learning. And that is why you need to speak. Even if you think they are not understanding, keep speaking it. Before you know it, they will learn and pick up. It is you, the father, the mother, that will teach your children your dialects. Nobody else will do that for you. Trust me. Swallow Igbo, organo. It's not organo. It amazes me. No katamfu mamado, mampamado, sina nguya da Igbo. Shameful. Mana nne gị na nna gị soro gị Igbo naanị ya. Oyibo anyị na-asụ, is it your mother's tongue? Or ihe mma gị kụziri gị? Ịmụtala oyibo n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. You learned English language from the school. So allow the child to learn English from school. Swallow Igbo, teach him or her Igbo language. You are the only one to do that. You can't speak English very well. It is not your mother's tongue. It is Igbo that you will speak very well. Ega su ofuma maka gịnị o ihe nne na nna gị konye n'ime gị. That is why o ji abịa ije n'ụlọ akwụkwọ ị na-amụ oyibo maka na oyibo gịnị abụrụ your mother's tongue. Nke a mama gị kụziri gị n'ụlọ ị da-amụ ya amụ, ọ ga-abanye n'ime gị naturally. Ijezie n'ụlọ akwụkwọ ịmụta sụwa oyibo. Eji m n'aka na ị na-agba ka m gara ịpụ na ihe nne nchukwu tata. Let me not digress much. But today you must learn to call your wife names in Igbo. Omalicham. Omalicham. My beauty. That is the name you call your wife. Omalicham. My beauty. Ugoeze. Ugoeze. That is your queen. Your queen, your wife is your queen. In your house, you are the king and your wife is your queen. So ugo, ugum, ugum, your own queen in your house. Okay? Omuma asaro. Omuma asaro. That is, she's too beautiful to take a bath, but she must take a bath. But that is an adjective to qualify how beautiful your wife is. Trust me, if you start doing this thing from the heart, you will see how love will flow and grow in your home. Jiru beginning when you call your wife that sweet names, you see her, even if she's bad, she don't have choice than to change. You see her behaving well, you see her loving you with the whole of her heart, giving you out her life. She will do everything to make you happy. I hope I'm communicating. Ejimnaka na na-aghọta ihe na-ekwu. Achọrọ m isi ogologo Igbo na vidiyo ụbọchị taa maka na asụsụ Igbo na-anazi ana. Ka anyị na-asụ Igbo ka ọ na-abanye. Ịyafụ ndị n'obodo Igbo ha chọọ ịdị na-asụrụ ụmụ ha Igbo, ha na-asụ ya ife ụmụazị na kedu maka ngụ anọ na be anyị ebe a? Ọkwa ka ọ wee dị mma. Asụsụ anyị bụ njirimara anyị. Yes, so nwaanyị ọma m, nwaanyị ọma m, my beautiful wife, nwaanyị ọma m, my beautiful wife. Akwa ugo, akwa ugo. This is an adjective to qualify. This is an egg. Your wife, you carry your wife, pamper her. She's an egg, so that she will respect you. Show your wife love, she will respect you. Anya m ji ahụ ụzọ. We say the apple of my eye. Anya m ji ahụ ụzọ. I hope you're understanding it. I hope you're following. Mmiri mma. I think I've said it before. Mmiri mma. When you get to a sea, you will see how beautiful the sea is. That is an adjective to qualify your wife. Mmiri mma. Hello. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. Call your wife Oledo. Oledo is gold, something you treasure. Oledo. Oledo, something you treasure so much, so much. Follow this video. Please subscribe if you have not. Share, like, and comment. Let our brothers learn these names and call their wife for real. The house will change, the love will grow, and our dialects asụsụ anyị amanwụ. Dịka anyị na-eme nka, ka Chukwu gọziere m gị. Ndewo, ka emesịa. Bye, ka emesịa.